Hi, I'm Michael Rückert from Akasel, and I would like to introduce our Aka-Allegran and Aka-Largan fine grinding discs to you. We have an entire range of fine grinding discs. This one is the Aka-Allegran 3. We also have a Allegran 9 and Allegran 1 version, and we have the Largan 9. Here at the back you have this field where you can put in the diamond grain size you are going to use on these discs, because here you apply diamond suspension during preparation. The different types of discs and the diamond suspension ranges that are used on these discs you can see on the following slide. We have the Allegran 9, which is used with diamond suspensions from 15 to 3 micron for materials with a hardness above 450 vicars. Then we have the Allegran 3, used with diamond suspensions also from 15 to 3 micron, but for softer materials with a hardness above 150 vicars. The Allegran 1 can be used with diamond suspensions all the way down to 0.1 micron, also for materials with a hardness above 150 vicars. And finally, the Largan 9 is used with diamond suspensions from 15 to 3 micron for softer materials below 150 vicars. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Aka-Allegran correctly for fine grinding of some steel samples. Looking at the surface, you can see that this disc has been pre-ground, so it is ready for immediate use. Before you use it, you should also check your magnetic disc to make sure that this disc is absolutely plain. If not, you can have problems with the plainness of your samples, and that will result in longer preparation times. We put on the Aka-Allegran, center it correctly to guarantee a smooth run of our samples. We move the head of our grinding machine over, move it down in position, and here it is important to notice that the actual sample should be running over the edge of the Aka-Allegran. That will keep the plainness of the disc and also guarantee the longest possible lifetime. When you insert the samples, you should space them, not putting that exactly next to each other, because that will guarantee the smoothest possible run during fine grinding. We have preset our preparation time, we have preset our dosing level, so we only press start and the preparation starts running. You should have a certain pre-dosing of diamond suspension on the disc. The machine does that automatically in order not to run too dry. You should check the dosing level while the samples are prepared in order to have sufficient diamond suspension. The dosing level shouldn't be too high or too low. If you do not have enough suspension, you will probably hear a squeaking sound. If it is running too wet, you will have a rattling sound. When you apply too much suspension, you will have some kind of aquaplaning effect. Even so, you use a lot of suspension, you will not have a very high removal, so you will have to extend the preparation time. You can see the disc has only been running for a quite short time, but it already starts changing color. It's getting black from all the material that has been removed. When the preparation is finished, it will stop automatically, the sample holder will move up, and you can take out your samples for cleaning. After the Aka-Allegran or Largan has been used for a while, it will be covered in the black debris sample material that has been removed and diamond, and it may be necessary to clean it. To do that is very easy. You switch on your machine, start the water, and you use a brush which has been marked with the correct micron size. We have been using 9 micron here, so we use that to clean our disc. We'll remove the dirt, and like this, the preparation disc is almost like new and will have a very high removal again. It is necessary to use different brushes for different grain sizes on the discs to avoid cross-contamination. If after some time of use you notice that the pellets here at the center start being removed and the base metal is showing, it's time to replace the Aka-Allegran or Largan, because then it has been used up and needs replacement. Just to sum up, the Aka-Allegran and Aka-Largan are fine grinding discs for all different types of materials. Depending on the grain size used with these discs, they can be used even for final polishing of very hard materials. One step on the Aka-Allegran or Largan can replace several steps of silicon carbide paper, and these discs will result in perfect flatness, making the final polishing much easier.